So budget transfer, CJ34, CJ35, CJ38 is for return, budget return. 37 and 38 is for supplements. So we'll first discuss supplements. So what is the meaning of supplement? At
Okay.
present stage, for CJ, for this project, okay, so you allocate some cost, budget. So that budget is utilized 100%. So in that case, we cannot increase original budget. So in that case, we have to supplement the budget. So while creating commitment, okay, um, for this project, let's take example. 17,000 is the commitment cost which is created. Total up. So it is almost exhausted. Why? Because at 100% it will give me error. So this 17,000, okay, so if you put 20,000 and if I perform total of functionality, and when I press check icon, the item is almost exhausted. Okay, so 20,000 is my budget, 17,000 is my commitment cost, which is assigned value. Okay, only 3,000 rupees is 3,000
Is
euros
remaining.
is remaining. So
Okay.
if you want to create any commitments like PR, service PR, service PO, material PR, okay, so in that case you need some budget. So you will have to request top management that I want to generate this, I want to generate demand for this material or for this service. You have to take approval from management, and you have to take additional budget from management, and you just have to supplement the budget so that you will be able to create new commitments, okay, within this WPS element. So I'll save this. Okay. Okay. So for this, for the mentioned WBS element, we have only 4,000 rupees remaining. So we'll just check CJ37 and CJ38. Okay. So what is
Or
the
you're
difference
going to
of CJ?
add some more money to it.
Yeah, correct, correct. So I'll switch this transaction to display mode. Okay. Display, CJ31 is for display the budget. So I'll use CJ37 first. /n CJ37. Okay, so this is the project. So whenever we deal with CJ37, then overall hierarchy it will check. Okay, so whenever we allocate the budget at respective WBS element, what was the WBS element? This is one. Okay, so I'll switch this to display mode so that we'll get the description. So for caliper WBS element, we want to allocate some additional budget, right?
Yes. Yes. So use CJ37.
CJ37. And whenever let's I'll add 500 rupees. Okay. So whenever I'm adding 500 rupees, which is additional budget, or we can one. Okay. 1,000 rupees I'll add as a supplementary budget. Okay. So now whenever I add any supplement budget, so it will always check the hierarchies with the hierarchies that is there any distributable budget is available or not. If not, then you will have to perform total of functionality. Got it? And again, we'll have to check no errors found. Then we can save it. So I'll tell you difference in between CJ37 and 38. Okay, sorry.
Budget return. Basically, you're reducing it.
No. Actually, it's 36. So change supplement for WBS element overview. CJ36 and 37. These are the two transactions.
Wait. Can you go back to the PowerPoint if you don't mind for a second, please? Okay, budget supplements, budget return in project. Okay, budget supplement has two. Okay, got it.
Okay, so I'll tell you
Thank
difference
you.
in between. So I'll post this. Okay, so for time being, and okay, so this document number is getting generated. Copy.
That's for just now you recently did the budget supplement, right?
CJ3A. Correct.
Okay. Now you're doing CJ36.
Yeah. So display the document. Now I want to because 1000 I've added 1000 as a supplementary budget, which is not sufficient for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one more 1000 rupees budget to create one more PR. Okay. So I can refer CJ36
Okay.
slash
So
n
what do you do?
CJ36. So in
Fine.
CJ36, I'll get only option to enter WBS element. Okay. So because I'm planning at overall level, I'll not enter 2020. Okay. So
Here.
if I
Okay.
enter 2020, then in next screen, if we put WBS element, so which WBS element I'll have to put, which is caliper WBS element. Okay. So for caliper WBS element, and if I put 2000 rupees, I want 2000 additional budget. And when I press check icon, it will give you error because this budget profile, we are planning the budget irrespective of years, right? So we have to plan the budget at overall values, overall level.
But the
Got
thing
it?
is, you checked overall and you checked to 2020. You checked both.
No. I haven't checked anything. That's why
No,
I
no,
just
the
entered
previous screen. The previous screen.
this one.
Not that. Yeah, no. Go back to the screen you were in.
Mm-hmm.
Not that. Not that.
Okay, I'll have to press
Yes.
back icon.
Yeah,
Okay,
that one.
just
Yeah.
give me 1 minute.
Yeah, fine.
It is still processing.
Yeah,
So
fine.
so CJ36 and CJ37, we'll just discuss difference in between CJ36 and CJ37 with reference to this practical example. So what is the meaning of CJ36? The increase in the current budget of WBS element result in distributable budget in the higher level. Okay, accordingly it will reduce. So if you have the budget at higher level WBS elements, just give me 1 minute. Uh, no errors found.
It took so much time.
Yeah.
Go back. So it did. Oh my goodness.
Okay. So we'll just check CJ37 again. Okay. So because we want to discuss this now. So we'll discuss this slide plus first. So in CJ36, increase the current budget of WBS element result in distributable budget of higher level WBS element will being reduced accordingly. So at present, for this caliper WBS element, you don't have anything. So if you put 2000 rupees at this WBS element, it will check whether distributable budget is available at higher level WBS element or not. Okay. And if that budget is not available, then it will give you error. Why? Because distributable budget is not available at top level WBS element. Got it?
I see.
Okay. So what I can do, slash n CJ30. Again, I'll change my
This is
original
getting
document.
really confusing. Supplement, I understood. The return, I'm not able to understand this concept.
Okay. So this is a supplement. Na? We have two transactions for supplements, 36 and 37. So for whenever we perform 37, okay, so it will check.
We add.
top level WB. Yeah, it will add, but it will always check the top level WBS element. Okay. And we'll check the impact of CJ36 as well. Okay. So it will automatically add, there is no need to, okay. There is no need to add WBS, this 2000 rupees budget at top level WBS element. It will automatically get roll up. Okay. That I'll show you in next step. So when I press total up, I hope you understood about this. So whenever I'm putting 2000 rupees value, okay, so it will check higher at higher level WPS. Is there any distributable budget available? If not, then it will give you error. Um, are you confused?
Very much.
Okay, so let me open again /n CJ37.
37 is clear for me.
Okay, so
You're adding.
yeah, I'm adding the budget. Okay, but while adding, it will check the budget at, is there any budget distributable budget is available at top level WBS element or not.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll just check impact of CJ37. Sorry, CJ30. This is the CJ37 now. /n CJ36. So I'll put overall values, and I'm not going to put year because we are planning the budget with reference to overall. We are not distributing any value against year, right? Got it? Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. So you are going to CJ36 and you're entering the value for WBS element, right?
Correct. So for CJ36, what I'm going to do, I'll put so at present I'll give you status. Okay, so I'll open.
Okay, enter value.
Reports. Okay, so I'll open report as well simultaneously so that you will understand. Okay, so when I execute this report, okay, 91121. Okay, so how much supplement is added? 1000 rupees. 20,173 is my original budget. Got it?
Yes, correct.
Let me
What
hide
report
the
is this? Okay, go ahead. 870-870-13560.
yeah. So original budget. Okay. So this report will give you overall picture. What was my original budget? What was my supplement? What is return? What is transfer? So presently we are discussing the supplementary budget. Okay. So post supplement budget. So for this caliper WBS element, if we put value, okay, enter amount, and we'll put 5,000 rupees. Okay.
Okay, let's enter.
So yeah, whenever I press the enter and when I press check automatically what happens, this 5,000 rupees, it will get added to top level WBS element automatically.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, so I'll post this, and
Okay.
this document is number is getting
Yeah.
generated.
Yeah. Now go back.
560, 1 minute, /n CJ3B, which is for display the document. Okay, so what we did, we just put the
Oh,
value of 5,000 rupees for only one WBS element. But
yeah.
what this document is showing, automatically this 5,000 rupees will get added to top level WBS elements. Okay, and I'll execute this report. I'll take this snapshot of this report. So just for comparison purpose, and I'll save this report, save, so that this layout will remain same. Back icon, yes. Execute the report again. So we'll just check the impact. Just observe, 6,000 rupees is the supplementary budget which is getting added automatically. I hope you understood about difference between CJ36 and CJ37.
Well, I still don't. I mean, this added 5,000. CGA 37, you added 1,000.
Correct. Yeah. So
So what?
CJ30.
So what's the difference?
Okay. So for whenever we are adding with reference to CJ36, this is the 7, na? So
This 7.
this is 7. So for 7, we have to put values manually at top level WBS element. Okay.
Oh.
And whenever we are adding 5,000 rupees, sorry, where is that? So whenever we are adding 5,000 rupees, automatically
It already puts.
that value will get added at top level WBS. It will not check any distributable budget. Is there any distributable budget available or not?
But CJ 37 will check for distributable budget.
Yeah, CJ37, it will check for distributable budget.
Okay. Now you do. Do we have distributable budget on this WBS now? Yes, you have 20,000.
/n CJ30, 30. We'll check. We'll add some budget so that you will.
Yeah, you have distributable budget 26,000.
26,000 is the distributable budget. Correct.
For level 4.
But it is current budget, na, 26,173, which is current budget for this WBS. Oh. Okay. Correct, na? Which is current is nothing but summation of 20 plus 6. I'll show you in report. Okay. This 20,173 plus 6,000, my supplementary budget, which is 26,173 is my current budget. Got it?
Yes, 20,000 plus 6,000 is 26,000. That I got it.
Okay, yeah. So
1,000 you added as CJ 37, 5,000 you added in CJ 36.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. Now you want to add another 1,000 in CJ 37 because you said the CJ 37 it also is based on CJ 36, right?
No, CJ36 and CJ37, it will, these are the two same transaction. Okay, but one will check, is there any distributable budget at level at higher level WBS element available or not, and second, it will not check any distributable budget. It will add, roll up the values automatically. So for CJ37, okay, so
it will check the distributable budget.
It will check the distributable budget. Yeah. So
okay, add one more CJ 37.
Yeah. So what I can
do we have a distributable budget here anywhere? No.
No. I'll bring that scenario as well. /n CJ30. So through 30, I'll put some additional budget at top level WBS level. Okay, which is 40. Okay, 40 and 40. So how much budget we have at top level WBS element, which is distributable? 20,000.
20.
Correct. So when I save it, I have this document. Document is getting generated.
Yes. Very nice.
When I switch to CJ37.
Now let's do this. Yes. Okay.
how much budget I have at top level WBS element, which is 20,000, correct?
It needs to be distributed, yes.
Yeah, it needs to be distributed. So when I put 15,000 and when I press check icon, it will not give me any error. Why? Because that distributable budget is available. If I put 25,000, then it will give me error. Okay. Why?
Okay, wait. Slow down. Remove. Okay, I'm lost here. Just give me a second. Okay. Can you get out of this error message if you don't mind, please, and remove 25,000 out of that?
Okay.
Blank it. Can you blank it? Enter. Okay. Distributed is 20,000. Okay. Now what are you trying to do?
Okay. So if I put value beyond 20,000, then it will give me error message. If you put value below 20, because only distributable budget is available 20,000 only. So only that much amount I can distribute. Beyond 25,
you can add more supplement. Supplement is basically you're adding more to the budget, right?
Yeah. So in that case, you have to, okay. So if you put 21,000, okay. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to select all and total up. Okay. So all bottom value, it will get sum up at top level WBS element. Got it? Actually, the point is, we have to for CJ37 budget, it needs to be roll up. Okay. So it will always check, is there any higher available budget, distributable budget is available or at top level WBS or not. Otherwise, we'll have to run the total of functionality. That's it.
I got it.
Okay. Yeah. And okay, so I'll put this 21,000 or 20,000 only. Okay.
So it's going to be, if you put 20,000, you can still roll up.
Yeah, it can. It will roll up because it will. We have distributable budget as a 20,000, so it will not roll up, but it will check. So when I press check icon, no errors. Save it, and let's execute this report again.
This is as confusing as it can get.
Oh. Okay, so 26,000, 6,000 plus 20,000, 26,000 is the supplementary budget. Okay, so just keep it in simple way. So for CJ37, it will always check the hierarchy, and CJ36, CJ36, it will not check any hierarchies. Let me put in this way, slash and CJ36. So I'll put overall, and if I put WBS element at 4,000 rupees budget, what so 400, 4,000. When I press check icon, it will not give me any error because, so if you observe at higher level, I don't have any distributable budget now. I'll open CJ31.
Yes.
CJ.
That's right.
CJ31.
Oh boy.
CJ31 is display the budget. Okay. So how much amount I have right now at top level WBS element is 20,000, which is already distributed, right? So this amount, it should be 0, right? Why it is coming?
Because the current budget is 66,000, so of course you have 20,000 distributable.
Yeah, correct. So at present, I don't have any distributable budget, correct, at top level WBS elements. For this,
right.
0. So when I post supplement of 4,000 rupees, press check icon, and when I save it, so 4,000 CJ3B, I want to display. So 4,000 rupees is getting added at top level WBS element. Okay, so when I execute this budget update report again, Then 30,000 is the cost which get automatically roll up, automatically added at top level WBS. It will not check
Ah.
while CJ36, it will not check is there any distributable budget is available at top level WBS element or not. Okay, so this is the basic difference of CJ36 and CJ37.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. So what is difference between budget transfer, budget supplements, and budget return? Okay. So budget transfer is transfer between the one WBS element to project, correct? So I want to transfer this budget to as a overall values. So whatever budget I have, leftover budget that I can transfer to another project.
Okay, let's transfer A dash 91123.
Okay, so 2 3 na.
A dash 91123.
Do we have budget for this WBS element? Yeah, budget is.
Yes, sir.
/o.
How did you find out? Oh, okay, BUDG.
BUDG and AVAC.
He said.
This system status will get activated automatically whenever we allocate the budget. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So /o CJ31 will check value available for this WBS under this project. Okay, so we'll select this. Okay, under this WBS we have 40,000 rupees budget available.
Okay.
So out of 40,000, let's say I need only 35,000 only. Or
can I not transfer the whole project budget?
Pardon?
Can I transfer the project to project?
Project to project. Okay, within the same project or other project?
Another project.
Yeah, another project.
Oh, this is within the same project you're transferring from one WBS element to another.
Within also or outside the project also. Okay, so I'll put.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you like that.
Okay, so this is the sender. Okay, and what will be the receiver? So I can put 3-91121. Okay, another project, another WBS element. Okay, so I'll put, if I put 5,000, then what happens? 5,000 budget, it will be reduced from sender WBS and it will be credited to receiver WBS element.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
We'll just quickly check, is there any errors? Sorry, it's a 500. So I'll have to increase one more zero.
Why do you have to increase one more zero?
It's a 500, na?
Okay.
No issue. We'll proceed with 500 only.
What's wrong with 500, man? Come on.
No, I gave you example, na? So it's a 40,000. So we are reducing 5,000. So that's why.
Why is it taking so long?
Because it will check whether available, whether is there any distributable budget available under this WBS element. It will check assigned values of sender WBS element. So all while checking all those things, it will take time. Still working. So check complete, no errors detected. So I'll save this. So we'll check impact. Okay. So since document has been posted, /n CJ3B 567. Okay. So everything it will get recorded with reference to budgeting document.
All right, let's see.
Yeah. So we'll run this transaction again.
You transferred it to there. Oh.
Okay. So my current budget is 49,500. This is my original budget. So current budget is 49,500. So it has got reduced 5,000. Sorry, 500, 500, 500. And if you take example of 21, who is the receiver budget? Receiver WBS element is
yes. Yes.
so /o CJ31. So we'll open this 21 as well project. So under 21, 500 value will get added under this top level WBS element. Okay. So
very nice.
Okay. So I'll
yes.
show you under budgeting report as well. So this S_560 budget update.
Okay.
S_ALR. So we'll first go with A0021. It's taking time. So this 560 report, you will get this report will give us information, values of supplementary budget, values of returns. Okay.
Okay. Let's see what it says. Little
So
slow system is.
Yeah. So for 21, the 500 budget, 500 rupees budget euros, it got credited, right? So it will give us value of 500 rupees as a return.
Are the COVID cases coming down in India?
Yeah, day by day. Actually, in Maharashtra, there are around 5,000, near about 5,000 cases. Okay, so
total of one per day.
Per day. So for this WBS element, 500 is the transfer overall. Okay, and
add on.
yes. it is got added. So when I execute 23, which is our current project, so you will get overall picture. Execute.
I think I should be able to see this report when.
Okay. So under 23, it is reflecting as a -500. Why? Because we transferred this budget. Okay. From this WBS
it's a sender.
It's a sender WBS element. Okay.
Yes. Correct.
And we'll just quickly check the return. Return means exactly reverse to.
Yes.
transfer. So from 35,
Transfer.
35 again,
Oh,
it will have same implications, same as that of CJ 37 and 38. So 35 is for, I guess, for only single WBS element. Slash and
38
CJ
for
35. It will give us hierarchy. Okay. So when I press OK, so we can put only single WBS element. So this is 21. No, I'm not interested.
this is 35.
No.
Return and where it goes to.
Return means it will get added. Okay. Budget return.
Oh, from where?
Just quickly check. Overall.
Put 2020. Okay, you don't know total.
1000.
Okay, let's see.
Or we'll put.
It should give us a receiver also.
Or no. We don't have any sender only. We don't have any receiver. So post return means I'm returning this budget 1000 rupees or against this WPS element.
To this W. Oh, okay, you're adding supplement.
No. It's not supplement. It is return, right? Return means I'm returning. Same as that of transfer. Transfer is nothing but from one WBS to another WBS I'm transferring.
So no, I think when you execute this, it's going to be 41,000.
40? No. I'm returning 1000 na. So it will be 48,500. Got it? Returning. It will
Okay, let's
reduce the
save
current
it.
budget. Yeah. So I'll check it first. Okay. No check, no errors detected. So I'll save this. Slash and CJ3B. So we'll check impact. So return minus 1000, minus 1000, minus 1000. All top level WBS element got affected because of
it detected.
return. Yeah. So when
it takes out.
It is detected. When I execute this report again, in return, you will get 1000 minus. Observe under return column, 1000 rupees, 1000 euros minus is getting reflected. Got it? So this 1000 is getting reduced, and I'll open 31 as well. Again, open. So our current budget will reduce by 1000, which will come in around 48,500. Got it? So return is nothing but irrespective of WBS element. I'm just returning the project. I'm not going to transfer anywhere to other WBS element. CJ34 is for transfer to other entities, other WBS, or we can transfer within same WBS element. So from this WBS to this WBS, I can.
Okay, what is CJ?
Yeah.
Yes.
CJ38 is.
Okay, good. What is CJ38 now?
Yeah, CJ38 works in the same way. So I'll show you. It is for only top. It will check the hierarchy. Slash in CJ38.
Okay, let's see.
It will check the hierarchy. So if we want to transfer, so it will check whether we have distributable budget available at the top level or not. So let's take example. If I want to transfer 2,000 rupees, okay. When I press check icon, okay, now yeah, 2000 is distributed because I haven't utilized now, so I haven't created any commitments. If I create any commitment, then it will give me
then will be a problem.
Yeah, so 2000 will get transferred, will get reduced from this. So when I save it,
I got you. It's the same concept. Okay.
Yeah, CJ3B. It is for document display. Again, top level WBS, it should get affect. Okay, so only 2000. Okay, So only that WBS will get affected. Sorry, it's my bad. Uh, Only that WBS, from that WBS element it got reduced, and distributable budget it will
Yes.
get impact. When I execute this again, so distributable 2000 will be minus from this WBS element level 4, and at level 2 2000 is the distributable amount will get added. So from this WBS element
No, it
budget,
was already there, that 2000.
no, it was not there. So if you want to check, we'll perform
Ah,
one more. Okay, so we'll perform for this WBS element. Okay, for this WBS element, we'll transfer,
okay.
we'll post return slashes
1000.
CJ38 for, okay.
Put some 999 or something. It's some
Okay,
weird number.
yeah, sure. So for this top level, fourth level WBS element underscore 01, I'll put 90 rupees. Okay. No errors found. You just observe what is my distributable budget 2000 and what is getting reflected in CJ31 before posting. Okay. So this is before posting
2090.
2000 only.
Hmm.
So when I post it, okay, 90 rupees will be reduced from CJ3B. Only 90 rupees it will get reduced from this WBS element. And when I execute this again,
Okay, let's see.
CJ31, it is display now. So when I execute it again, so 2090 is the distributable budget.
It added.
It got 90 rupees got deleted from reduced from fourth
Oh,
level. Okay, and this 90
I
rupees
got
will
you.
get added. What I did for level 2 WBS, this 02 WBS element, or else I'll switch this to description so that it will be better to explain. So from caliper,
Yeah.
I reduce 2000, so it will get reflect as a 2000 is this distributable budget. Okay, now under this emitter, I reduce 90, so it will get
You
added as
reduce 90.
yeah.
So what do you mean if you added as distributable? That means it's still available?
Distributable means this 2090. If I create one more WBS element under mechanical instrument, okay, I can add,
Okay.
this is the amount which is available to distribute. I cannot distribute the budget beyond this 2091.
I got you.
Okay, only 2090 I can
Okay.
distribute in new WBS, or I can increase my budget by 2090 only. Okay.
Okay, here is the thing. That means it's not exactly removing from the project. All it is putting it in a placeholder
Return.
or
Yeah.
a temporary place, that amount, so that when you create a new WBS element, it can be added to that.
Yeah, correct. Or within the, let's say after few months, few days, you need additional budget, then we can distribute the same amount under those WBS element, emitter and caliper.
So you add, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Got it.
So I
All
hope
right,
you got
fantastic.
difference
Okay.
in between these two as well. CJ35, CJ38, what is difference between
Yes.
34? It is just
Yes.
transfer. Okay. And
I guess
about
everything is
reporting,
covered, man. Budget,
yeah.
everything is covered. Good.
Yeah. If you follow the reports, so you will get line items wise as well as who change the budget. Okay, what type of budget it is, because value type along with what type of budget. In budget itself we have supplement, return, okay, and release, original budget. So what type of budget, you will get all information under this budgeting reporting. So we already discussed with reference to 560, because it will give you all picture in 560. What is my supplement, what is my return, what is my transfer, what is my current overall budget, and what is my release. Because we I hope you remember what is release. So up to 70,000 I'm releasing only 40,000. So it will, availability check will be carried out
Yeah, I
for
know.
only 40,
Partial amount is released.
partial
Okay.
amount. Yeah. So in 560 you will get whole picture of budgeting. Okay, so this is, can I, okay, so any questions about the budgeting? So one more thing I forgot to explain
Absolutely
you.
no.
Yeah, availability control. So this is the nothing but what is my available budget and what is my commitment. Okay, so if I'm creating any new commitments, then it will check
Hmm.
available budget. So this is nothing but availability control active. So I'll give you one more example. Slash and CJ 20N
Okay.
23. Okay. So for all WBS, you will get AVAC status got active. AVAC status got active. So what does it mean?
Yes.
Yeah, our project will check the commitment creation while creating commitment.
Yes.
It will check the available budget.
Again, the budget allocated.
Yeah, and if we
That's correct.
deactivate the availability control, we have the transaction CJBW. It is for deactivate the availability control. Okay,
CJ what?
CJBW. I'll add those transaction in the in
Okay.
favorite.
Deactivate availability control. Yes, sir.
CJBV is for activate. Sorry, CJBV. CJBV is for activate availability control, and CJBW is for deactivate. Okay, so let's take example. If we run this transaction CJBW, what happens at project level? Availability control will be deactive. Then the system will
Okay.
allow me to create commitments irrespective of budget. So it will ignore the budget values. Okay?
Yes. So basically, the commitment can exceed the budget.
Yeah, right. And okay, so we'll check at project level what impact we are getting because of this CJBW. If I select WBS element, so only BUDG budget status got active. Okay, so it will not check availability.
I got you.
Okay, again,
Control.
if I run
All right.
again
Let's see.
CJBV, again then availability control will get active when you execute this. Okay, detail log
CJBV. Okay.
CJBV. So availability control get activated for this project. Again, we'll execute project. Just see AVAC got active. So it will check availability
Yes, sir.
budget. Okay.
Yeah.
So can I declare budget?